Hey, biology. So here we are, Wednesday. A couple things that I just want to kind of make sure we're along the right track. But first off, did you guys feel the earthquake yesterday? It was around maybe 5 or 6 in the evening. I'm guessing it could have been later than that. I was sitting on the couch. It's kind of like what I've been doing lately, as you can see. And I thought I was maybe kind of going crazy because it felt like the world was waving and I was almost like, I felt seasick almost. And then I looked, on my far wall, I have hanging plants and they were like swaying back and forth. And I was like, okay, I'm not going insane. The world is moving. And then I thought I'm right by the train station. I thought it might have been a train thing, but then I looked it up and there was an earthquake, an actual, like, pretty sizable one in Chalice, Idaho. On the USGS site, it said a 6.2. So that's pretty decent size. That's a big earthquake. Luckily that area it's kind of like the Frank Church Wilderness. It's not like super populated, so I would imagine there wasn't too much damage. But to feel it all the way up here, that's kind of down towards Boise, Idaho. So that gives you an idea of how much energy was behind that we were feeling the waves up here. I talked to some friends in Coeur d'Alene that felt it as well. So you can imagine what a large area that those waves traveled out from. So pretty interesting. Felt different than the little earthquakes I've felt around here before. Kind of like one just felt like a loud crash, boom, as it moved through. This was different. This was actually like waves in the ground. It must be because it was a larger earthquake. Anyway, crazy times are getting even crazier. And then I wake up to snow this morning. So bizarre. Okay. Anyway, biology. Okay, so for today, some of you picked up the biology work planner. Okay, and this was kind of like my ideas that I made like before spring break, before I even knew exactly what the situation was going to be. And since some of you had to wait until Tuesday to get your notebooks, I don't want to pile up too much. So a few of those things we're going to stretch out. So you need to be paying attention to the videos to understand what to do when and what I'm looking for. So that's what you're doing. Awesome. Good for you. If you know any other friends that are in biology that aren't doing that, get on them. I'm going to probably start making contact with people that I have had no response from here pretty soon. Okay, so the first response that I'm looking for, and I've had a little trickle so far, is I would like you to turn in the pedigree and the protein synthesis coloring. Okay, I've had a few people turn it in. All right, if you just got your notebook yesterday, work on finishing those up. And hopefully I can get the majority of them starting to get turned in today, I'm hoping. So try to do that. I'll probably be emailing people Thursday morning if I haven't gotten yours yet. And then probably I don't want to be making 50 phone calls. So please, let's try and get those in. And then I'll have to follow up with some phone calls probably Thursday afternoon if I haven't received anything yet. Okay, so scan them. Again, if your printer has a scanner, that'd be awesome. You can use a little scanner on your phone, or you can take a picture and just send me the images too. Okay, so whatever you can get to work. This week, we're going to have a few assignments that you're going to have to do that on, and I'm going to try, as we go further, to go more towards all digital things. Okay, so we'll limit that a little bit. But for now, let's try and get that done. Okay, so please, if you have not yet, email me your protein synthesis coloring and your pedigree worksheet. 2 separate emails, one for each of those would be the easiest on me. Okay, I will respond with like a thanks or good job or whatever. So you know that I got it, and I am basically right now I'm writing down the grades on a hard copy, and then when I get a decent amount, I'll put those into the grade book. These will probably be the last two things that are in your third quarter grades because those are getting posted next week. Crazy. So if you've done that already, awesome. Nice job. I don't think I'm going to assign anything else today because I just really want everyone to work on getting those in. If you want to do something and you have the review, the crossword, and the questions, you can start working on that. I know some of you have already done that. Awesome. Keep working on that. Maybe don't send it in to me yet because I'm trying to process all the other assignments. But you'll also have some time over the next couple days to work on that as well. General plan, I'm thinking maybe a video with questions tomorrow, some time to work on your review, and then maybe some more time to finish up the review on Friday, and I will assign a quizzes. So we're kind of refreshing that protein synthesis stuff and start reviewing the genetic stuff. We are going to have some sort of assessment on this. Probably going to look different, but we're going to finish this up, okay? So please email me or let me know somehow if you are having any issues or if you need any help. Otherwise, I guess happy April Fools. Do something crazy to your family. All right. Talk to you later. Send those assignments in. See ya.